look at all these beautiful cleaning products, all these good smelling cleaning products, they need a home. And today is the day that I'm going to organize all of them and store them in their new place, their new home. We decided to put them in this closet off of the kitchen, and we added the bottom 2 shelves that you see all of that junk kind of sitting on. And the white bins at the top are what I'm actually going to organize them into. So first things first, I need to separate all of these cleaning products, and I ended up doing that by the type of surface they were cleaning or the room that they were going to be cleaning. I got these labels on Amazon, and I've worked with this kind of product before. It's called VersaChalk. It's a chalk marker, and these are kind of supposed to simulate chalkboard, but it's obviously just sticker paper. I've done some hand lettering in the past, and I love it. It's super fun. And in this situation, I tried really hard to not overthink it and to just try to have fun, because I could definitely, this kind of situation brings out the perfectionist in me, and I just want it to look perfectly cute. But today, I just wanted to have fun. I didn't want to take it too seriously, and I don't want you guys to take this kind of stuff too seriously either. A lot of people think, oh, I can never do that, I can never write like that, I can never hand letter like that, but you certainly can. And the beauty of it is that it's unique to each person and their handwriting and what they're capable of doing, and that's why I love it. this was the only one of the bunch that I just couldn't take it. I had to redo it. So this is how I decided to organize everything downstairs, and then I moved upstairs into the laundry room and tried to do the same thing for all of the rooms and spaces that I needed to clean upstairs, because I don't know if any of you live in a 2-story house, but it is a pain in the neck when you have to go either up or downstairs to get whatever cleaning product it is that you're looking for. And this was my effort at trying to eliminate going up the stairs 10,000 times. So there you have it, organized cleaning products. I'm so excited to have this finally done. I've been waiting to do this for a couple weeks, and it is definitely making cleaning the house a lot more simple in terms of just knowing where things are and not having to shuffle through things and find things, or not knowing where they are because we just moved. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you to organize a space in your home.